only...
Oh, Hunter.
I'm gonna jump.
I could jump over it.
There's only... Oh!
It's a metal sheet, bitch.
I'm out of batteries. Can I use somebody else's light?
Alright, I'm coming back.
Wait, no, don't! Yeah.
Contracting, teleporter.
That was good. That was good. That definitely
There's a turret over there, and Sal didn't make it.
He dead?
Yeah, he's fucking dead.
I don't know where I screamed.
Oh gosh, dang it, I went around.
Okay, let's try to work our way back then.
Yeah, I have no idea at this point.
Person!
Oh, hold on, my D. Okay.
Now,
Hey!
yeah.
It's all dead. Yeah, fucking.
Alright,
Hi.
yeah, this way. Oh, that's a thing.
That's the thumper.
Yeah.
Okay.
So spider, it sounds like. I have a sign so I could potentially beat up that
Kill
thumper.
it.
Hey. Okay, freak it out of the way, let me beat it up.
I don't think this is the way. Ah! 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 Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. Ah! Ah! Fuck! Ah!
Are you watching the stream, Alex? I am. That's really good. Yeah.
Just kill me! Yeah.
Try and loop it. We're going to fail.
Where'd you go? Stay here. You have fun.
Do you have Naruto? No. Is your fucking Gritty not moving and your Naruto running?
What?
Or do you you had your
they
arms
think-
behind you like you were doing a Naruto run?
The kids at school try to teach me different Fortnite dances today, and I'm pretty sure I did one that was a little embarrassing, but then I didn't do it again after the first time. But I do the gritty for the kids, because I don't care. Like, because I don't care what they think about me. I'm an adult. I live my own life. If the kids want to think, oh yeah, the weird adult did the gritty, I don't fucking care. But this one girl thinks it's so funny, and above below her that I do it. But a lot
Yeah,
of
so
the
just right in front of us again.
really like that I know how to.
Flashlight for you guys.
I love Alex saying, do the gritty for the kids. It's so good.
I do the gritty for the kids, but I only do it once a day. I'm like, so if multiple tables ask me, I'm like, nope, I already did it today. You can't ask me.
Can you look and see if we wrote anything down about
Come on.
Trinari's eyes? Because there's something
I
about it.
do. Yes. What? I heard that. That was fucking.
And there's a mine right there too. Fucking, there's a mine in the air.
I was trying to avoid.
Oh my god. I'm getting the fuck out of here. This is only mines.
Back.
I have nothing. But there's about 25,000 mines, so...
You should teleport Hunter's body.
You should teleport Hunter's body, by the way.
Alright.
Hunter's body needs to be teleported.
Now be at peace with this.
Oh god.
I'm
Oh
happy
no,
with
Hunter
showing
doesn't
this
know.
for now. But no!
Shot. Aw, dang it, I wasn't looking at the others. Who got shot by turret? Killed you. They didn't die. Fine. Sure. Just deactivate turret, right?
Yeah.
Why?
Rude.
No!
Oh no! No!
I don't take responsibility for that. Fuck, man. Ah! Guys! Guys? Please help.
Coming back.
Eleanor, please come back.
I'm back in. What's up, baby? Where are you?
Okay.
I hear you. Where are you, baby?
Hi. It's it's one the hallway with the bright light at the end. Yeah, right there. Hi. Can you just... Okay, let's go back to the opening, please.
You see? What's here?
It's a bracken.
Oh god. Oh god.
It made me want to cry. Let's go. Thank you. I love you.